Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change the column width and row height. So to change the row height in Google Sheets mobile, first touch on between 1 and 2 if you want to change the height of first row. So between 1 and 2 you will touch like this way, and on the arrow mark you will drag it till how much you required. Like this way. I want to change the first one, so it's changed. Now if you are again want to change the second row height, you will touch between 2 and 3 this way and drag it. So this way you can change the row height. If you want to change more than 2 rows together, then select the rows. Suppose I want to change the height of rows from 1 2 3 4 5 together. Then first select row number 1, and from the blue dot symbol select all the rows. So I have selected 5 rows, and from here you drag it. So now you can see all the rows height increased equally. This way you can change the row height. Now how you can change the column width? For that, suppose I want to change the width of column A, then you will touch between A and B, and on the arrow sign you will drag it. So you can see the height of the column has been changed. And if you want to change the height of more than 2 columns, then first you will select the columns. So if for selecting multiple columns, first touch on A. After that you will see two blue dots. Using that blue dot you can select multiple columns. This way you can select multiple columns. Now you want for increasing the height or width, on the arrow marks you will touch and drag. So you can see here the width of the column has been increased. Again, for changing the height of the rows, touch on 1, and by touching on blue dots select the columns that you required. Suppose I required only till 5, and after that tap on the arrow sign and drag it. Suppose I need only till this much. So here you can see the height has been increased. And to add border to your cells, touch on the cell, and using blue dot select the cells and touch on this icon, border icon, and from there select the first one, all borders. And here border style is there. By default it is thin one. If you need more dark border, you can select next one and click anywhere. So this way you can change the row height and column width in Google Sheet mobile. Please remember, this step works only when you are using the Google Sheet from Sheets mobile app. If you are using it from computer, then the step will be little bit different. So to change the name of the document, you can touch on the untitled presentation or spreadsheet, and this window will appear. From there you can change the name. Suppose sheet 1. So this way we can change the name of the sheet and name of the document. And to change the name of the sheets, touch on the green down arrow, and from here you will get rename option. From the rename option, write the name of the sheet. Suppose page 1. So this way you can change the sheet name. To add a new sheet, you can tap on the plus sign this way. Tap on the plus sign, one new sheet will appear. And while you are writing something on Google Sheet, by default it is stored in Google server, so you no need to press any save button. Just you can go back and your document will be saved. Suppose if I again reopen this, I'll get this much. And to work in Google Sheets app, you require internet connection. If you don't have internet connection, then it might not work. If you want an offline Excel or spreadsheet editor, then you can use Microsoft Excel. That one not required any internet connection. But in Google Sheet, you must connect it with the internet. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel for latest updates. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.